Hello, world. It's February 4, 2026. Welcome to a new edition of Cyber Briefing by Cyber Material. Cyber alerts brought to you by 911 Cyber. Microsoft warns Python Infostealers target macOS via fake ads and installers. Mozilla adds one-click option to disable generative AI features in Firefox. Researchers find 341 malicious ClawHub skills stealing data from OpenClaw users. Cyber incidents brought to you by 911 Cyber. $30 million stolen after Step Finance Treasury wallets are compromised. Precipio data breach exposes 150 gigabytes of sensitive PHI and PII. Cyber news brought to you by 911 Cyber. Spain will ban social media access for children under 16. This cyber briefing was produced with Saint, your artificial intelligence newscaster. For more headlines, visit cybermaterial.com.